gonna be awesome. I haven't had a big meal like this for quite a while, so I've been eating out a lot lately, getting fat. I'm gonna eat, I'll be right back. We gotta chat, folks. Good morning, guys. It's February 16th, it's Sunday. As some of you know, I've been in a bit of a rush to get this Jetta finished. I bought these 3 17-inch wheels under the impression that there was 5 of these matching 17-inch wheels. So what I did, I went out there, I bought them, I checked them all out. I'm like, wait a minute, this wheel doesn't match, and that's a Steely. He's like, oh yeah, it says in the ad that it's just 3, and I just overlooked it like a retard. But they cut me a deal for $100 for all 5 wheels. 3 of the 17s were matching. So I put those on the car. I'm just driving with like a mixed oddball fucking wheel in the back right. You know, it got the honeys seeing me on the left. I've been hunting for a 4th matching wheel for months now. And I was just about to give up and just say fuck it, buy aftermarket wheels. But this morning I go hunting on the old Facebook marketplace, guys. And now I've lost the ad. Oh, pardon me. It's gotta be here somewhere. Boom. I come across this ad and you can see the wheels are kind of beat up, like they're not nice looking by any means. I paid $100 for that set of 5 wheels, 3 matching, 1 oddball and 1 Steely. And then I turned around and sold the stock wheels from that car for $90. So essentially I got $10 into the wheels on that car. But I gotta get all my dirty clothes ready because later we're gonna do yeah, that's the mix match wheel that has never matched. But I do enjoy driving this car because it's a 5-speed and it's got sick blue gauges, red and blue lights. I'm such a fucking retard. But for real, I am gonna take this to go get a drink. Look at this bitch. Oh, I'm excited to get this strapped on. Very excited. Let's see what kind of damage we can do today. Oh yeah! So it backs up so much straighter with that new axle in it. Okay, got gas. Now we gotta pump that flat fucking tire up. So I got that tire pumped up, I got my fucking Mountain Dews. And now we gotta get this sucker vacuumed out because I haven't vacuumed it since the day I bought it. And it's been over a year. Red balls! I'm so high. Oh man. Oh man. So I got a water pump for this car. I've got a serpentine belt, a Mark III oil pan coming because it's steel. It's harder to break. This one's aluminum. Didn't know. I've got to order an oil pump still. I've got ARP rod and main hardware to slap in this. A couple extra pistons for when I inevitably blow them up. Oh man, I'm excited. I can't wait to build this fucking car. We got some oil parts coming. It's gonna be an absolute riot. Jetta all cleaned up, got it washed, got it vacuumed up. I got hella gray hairs. Doink! Bye-bye. What's up, dudes? We're just getting back to the van. Had a fun little session at the skate park. I cleaned the Jetta up a little bit and I cleaned the windows, but they are fucking horribly disgusting. The previous owner did his own tint job and he didn't know there was a sticky side and a non-sticky side to the tint. And most of the windows have the sticky side facing in, like you can touch the sticky side, so it's kind of helpless. You got to get all that glue off or just pull the fucking tint off. That's what I probably should just do, is rip the tint off. But kind of like having a little bit of privacy glass, even if it is shitty and you can barely see out the windows. So just chilling out, just got back to work. We're gonna make some Hot Pockets. Yeah, they're a little bit soggy, but I'm gonna make some Hot Pockets for lunch because I'm freaking starving. After that, hopefully my guy hits me up for them wheels and I can go pick those up. Good now. For the most part, it's looking pretty damn good now. A new scooter, chicka chicka. So gay. Got so many things to do today. Shit, I'm losing my mind. Yeah, I've had too much caffeine and now I'm fucking, everything's going 1,000 miles per hour. Alright guys, one thing I want to do for this is get these taillights tinted because they don't really match the headlights. They just stand out like a sore thumb. So I'm not going to do them super dark. I like it very, very lightly done, and I've never seemed to have problems with it very lightly done. So we're going to do that. Looks like it's just 3 bolts and the electric clip. I love how this shit doesn't even fit in here. It's all fucking stuck. This is a disaster. Bang bang! So now we got 3 screws. It's also hand tight. I'm about to raise this up. I'm starting to loosen up the lug nuts. And they're all fucking hand tight. Give it about 3/4 of an inch threads. That's like 1/2 inch raised. It just looks so good. Gave them a quick spray with the clear coat. Really do. That's perfect. That's exactly how dark I wanted them. Just a mild smoke. Check it.